and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Congress to declare first list of candidates next week. People who haven't applied for tickets may also get candidature. Subhash Shirodkar says talks with MGP still on for alliance. Shripad Naik backs out from assembly election race after High Command declines him opportunity. Shripad says he will stay with the party. Go and Poll campaign gets musical after Vijay Sardesai. BJP comes out with their Kolavari version. More politicos planning musical campaign. After cabinet ministers, police withdraws security provided to MLAs and former chief ministers. DGP declines request from ministers to restore security. Anson Hallelujah Football Club arrived for Sunday's exhibition. Match South Korean club to take on All Goans team, but Sporting Spark Jaehyun could be an exception. And Goan cricketers asked to take GPL 3 days seriously. Coach Vivek Kolamkar to start preparation for next season's Ranji Trophy through GPL longer version. Now the news in detail. Seems like Congress is desperate to have a pre-poll alliance with the MGP. According to the Congress, talks for forging an alliance with the MGP are still on. 2 days earlier, MGP had categorically ruled out the possibility of fighting the election with Congress. And the MGP has now again reiterated that alliance with the Congress is not possible. Subhash Shirodkar has said that people who did not apply for tickets may also get candidature depending on winnability.
MGP President Deepak Daulikar 2 days earlier had firmly stated that talks of forming an alliance with Congress will not happen. But on the other hand, GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar surprisingly stated that talks with MGP for an alliance are still on. But Daulikar continues to maintain his stand.
राष्ट्रवादीचे जे सीट शेअरिंग असा ते सीट शेअरिंग संबंधी सुद्धा हो निर्णय 24-25 तारखेक जावपाची चड शक्यता आसा. मगोजी बाबतीत सुद्धा उलोवणी चल्ल्या. आता कितले पर्यंत ताजे निर्णय म्हणटा अजून जावं ना. होही सुद्धा निर्णय साधारणशे 24-25 तारखेक परत तांकां विचारल्यार जाता त्या संबंधी. सुदीन ढवळीकर हाका विचारल्यार जाता किंवा दीपक ढवळीकर परत विचारल्यार जाता.
Deepak Daulikar says MGP has never initiated talks of forming an alliance with the Congress. Even more, with the issue of medium of instruction, the alliance with Congress can never take place. The first list of candidates will be declared by the Congress next week. Those who have not filed their nominations for a ticket also stand a chance of getting candidature.
हे दोन्ही बैठको जाल्यानंतरच काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या कॅन्डिडेट्साची पहिली वळेरी मुखाल्ल्या आठवड्यात जाहीर जातली. अजूनपर्यंत खंयच्याच मतदारसंघाचेर खंयचोच कॅन्डिडेट संबंधी निर्णय जावं ना. Even that is what I say. Even people outside, sometimes, because you see they are gathering information from various corners, from various agencies. They have also appointed their own people to assess and analyze. So sometimes maybe here and there, 1 or 2 constituencies, they may go out of.
Deepak Daulikar has stated that the Digambar Kamath-led government was the most corrupt government. However, Subhash Shirodkar has refused to comment on the statement. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Shripad Naik has backed out from the assembly race after BJP High Command refused to relieve him of his parliamentary duties. Shripad will stay with the party. He feels that the High Command must have thought that his absence would not impact prospects of the party.
परवरी तिकेट लढोवपाचे जे काही प्रपोजल आशिल्लो हो प्रपोजल पर्टिक्युलरली म्हजो न्ही. हे हांगसरल्या स्टेट पार्टीनच भारतीय जनता पार्टी राज्यांतल्या शाखेन तांचे कडेन प्रपोजल दवरलेलो आनी अन्नाज म्हाका आशिल्लो की हे सगळे गोश्ट सुरू जाली आनी ताजे नंतर कितें तरी भितर जालें कांय कल्पना ना आनी जो कांय डिले जायत येतालो तातूंतल्यान तांच्या मनाक ना हो तांचो विशय आहा तांणीच प्रपोजल व्हेला आनीक तांकांच हे दिसना म्हजो काय तातूंत हें ना आनी त्या खातीर एकूण दिसतालें की डिले जाताचें कारण ती जावची ना जे कितें ताणें निर्णय घेतला हो निर्णय हो तांचो आसा म्हजे त्याच्याशी कांय संबंद ना आनी त्या हातूंतल्यान इलेक्शन येतलें इलेक्शन वतलें तातूंत म्हजें कांय न दिल्लें म्हणून म्हाजें कांय म्हणणें ना बस
सगळ्यांक खबर आसा तुमी गोंयच्या इलेक्शनाक जाय गोंयांत सद्या जाय आसली तुमची गरज आसली सो तुमी निवडणूक ना लडप गोंय येता ते इलेक्शनान हेजो काँग्रेसीक हेजो BJPक फटको बसता
कारण ताणें ताचो विचार केलो आसतलो कदाचीत तांकां दिसता आसतलें की ना लडिलें जाल्यार कांयच नुकसान जावचें ना अशें तांकां दिसलें आसतलें तांचो प्रस्न आसा हाजेर म्हजें म्हणणें कांय ना बस
सो आतां कोणाक अशें नाका तुमी म्हणून अशें जाताय
आतां शेवटी निर्णय हो हांव एज ए मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट आशिल्ल्या कारणान राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्षाचो आशिल्लो एकूण पळोवंक गेल्यार आनी ताणेंच हो निर्णय घेवचो आशिल्लो ताणें जर ना म्हणलें तर ना विशय सोंपता
तुमी प्रयत्न करपाचे
ना कितें म्हजो डिमांड न्हीच न्ही तो प्रयत्न करपा लागून तांकां जाय जाल्यार पार्टी खातीर हांवें येवपाचें पार्टी जर म्हजी मदत जाता जाल्यार हांवें लडप पार्टी जर मदत जायना जाल्यार हांवें येवप ना हें सिंपल हें तें तातूंत म्हजें म्हणणें कांय ना
वयल्यान तुमच्या पक्षश्रेश्ठींनी ना म्हणप तांकां चुकीची बी मेसेज पावना मागीर तुमची हांगासर आतां तुमी सेंट्रलाक जाय तुमी गोंयांत सद्या
सगळ्या गोश्टीचो विचार पक्षान करपाचो आनी तो ताणें केलो आसतलो अशेंच हांव गृहीत धरतां
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
Luring voters by money and giving help are far foregone tales. Now the politicians prefer another medium of attracting voters and initializing their virtue, songs. Yes, the leaders have been in search of good lyricists to script a song to lure voters. Have a look at how the political leaders are forging spoof songs. Kolavari D is turning into Polavari D.
Why they Kolavari D? Why they Kolavari D?
And when it came in Konkani, this is how it was sung. And now, the song is trending for Goan politicians. First, Vijay Sardesai.
Why worry, don't worry, vote to Vijay Akadi. Why worry, don't worry, vote to Vijay Akadi. I kai kaki, I kai bhai, Fatarda Vijay Zai.
And when BJP makes it Kamlauri D, it becomes their anthem for the Jan Sampark Yatra.
तुझे मत कमलावरी 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 दे मत तुझे कमलावरी 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 दे तुझे मत कमलावरी 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 दे
Enough of Kolavari D. This was how Ravi Naik played this song to lure voters in his favor long before Kolavari came into existence.
गोंयचो लोकनायक आमचो तुमचो लोकनायक गोंयकाराचो लोकनायक रवी नायक रवी नायक रवी नायक रवी नायक रवी नायक रवी नायक.
And now, another song highlighting plight of Aam Aadmi, suggesting a change in society. A song scripted by the Friends of Good Governance.
जाऊनी कितें गोबोर आता जाऊनी कितें गोबोर मतांग आमच्या वालोर सदांच मतांग आमच्या वालोर सोबीत नितळ गोंयाची जगार फाकल्या काणी सोबीत नितळ गोंयाची जगार फाकल्या काणी आडव्यो तिडव्यो पोखरू मागीर मिनाच्यो त्यो खणी आडव्यो तिडव्यो पोखरू मागीर मिनाच्यो त्यो खणी.
Kolavari or no Kolavari, the election fever is surely growing into music mood. It's becoming more creative as well as more musical.
Why they Colaveri tea?
A reporter from Panji, Greta Menezes.
Why they
And it's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.